What an exciting day today, folks. We are looking at the nicest 2014 Newmar Ventana 4360 that is equipped like none other. Full body paint. It looks to me like the previous owners waxed it just before trading it in. We got a power awning. We got another awning on top of the entry door. This is sitting on a Freightliner chassis with a 400 horsepower Cummins turbo diesel. We did sell it here brand new. Slide toppers, 2 more slides over on this side. Does have a 50 amp power connection. Does have a diesel generator as well. Look at the condition, folks. The Alcoa 22.5-inch alloys are shiny. Look at the mirrors. Oh, did I find a bug? I found a bug, folks. You think the outside looks great? Wait till we go in. Let's go. Oh my, oh my. We did not clean this. This is the way it was traded in. Amazing, amazing condition. All right. These leathers, by the way, have been changed. That's why they look just like new. Backup camera, stereo. Just over 29,000 miles on it. TV up front. Okay, directly in front of these reclining seats, we got a huge TV on the televator. There's a button for it. Beautiful tile floor. A dinette. Oh yeah, there's a bug on the front, and this light's burnt out. We'll get that fixed. Really nothing. Look at the cabinetry. Look at the woodwork Newmar does, even in 2014. We got a cloth on top of the 3-burner propane stove. We got dual stainless steel sinks. Lots and lots of countertops. Maytag fridge. Water dispensing and an ice maker. Central vacuum system. Oh yeah, you know what that means, folks. You can live in this thing. That's right. Washer, dryer. Now this is a mid bathroom. So you got sink and medicine cabinet number 1. A beautiful shower with a skylight. How about sink number 2? So both of you can get ready at the same time. Love where they put that fan, thank goodness. All right, master bedroom up next. Folks, this is a king-size bed. Lighting within the slide outs. Love it. Another TV right here, folks. Huge bed. Opposing windows in the slide out for great cross ventilation. Out back, normally you would see the washer dryer here. In this case, it's a huge closet. Out back, how about some more storage? We like storage, right? Another huge closet. And a place to put all that gas money of yours. Comes with a safe. Folks, I'm not joking when I've never seen a 2014 in this condition. Very, very well kept. Absolutely loved. I don't think the previous owner has spared any expenses on this unit. Simply say that because he just purchased a $1.3 million coach from us. incredible. All right, if you want to be the lucky one to maybe purchase this one, please give one of our salespeople a call ahead of time to book your appointment so we can get this coach ready to show. And who knows? Maybe you'll end up driving it away. 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. Bye for now.
If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.